Hi everyone, it's Heath from utechteachernet.com, and I'm here to share some really exciting news with you. I've written a book titled Music Technology 101 that's soon to be released and published by Hal Leonard. This book is a result of my experience teaching music technology to middle school students for the last 8 years. When people think about music technology, often the first thing that comes to mind is a professional studio with the racks of equipment and the big soundboards with all the knobs all over them, and then the maze of cables and microphones that go on. The thought of learning how to operate all that kind of equipment can be overwhelming. But I approach music technology from the 5 elements of music: rhythm, form, melody, harmony, and expression. The book is written in what I think is an easy to understand language for those who may not be very familiar with music technology, where I show you how you can use digital tools to create music so that you can then teach students how to become not just music consumers, but music producers and creators. The book is filled with diagrams and illustrations and sample lesson plans to help you learn the concepts. And one of the things that I think is really the coolest thing about the book is there are almost 90 minutes worth of videos and demonstration videos that are linked directly in the digital form of the book. Or if you buy the paper copy, you'll get a link and an access code that'll give you access to all of these videos. And in these videos, I actually demonstrate the lesson plans that are contained in some of the chapters, as well as having some audio and visual demonstrations and illustrations of some of the concepts in the book. In addition, the appendix has some additional lesson plans, unit plans, and rubrics that you can use in a classroom. And you'll also have access to those files via the link in the digital book or the one that's shared with the purchase of the paperback version. So whether you're a newbie to music technology, just wanting to learn how to create music maybe in your home or bedroom studio, or if you're a music teacher that is interested in exploring the idea of beginning a music technology program at your school, Music Technology 101 can show you the basic steps of what you need to get started and get you and your students creating music.